Hey, I'm Tarun. Today, I wanted to discuss why I am making a transition to Apple ecosystem after 10 years on Ubuntu. Being a computer scientist for last 8 years, I have learned that your love for platform does not define you. It's the work you are able to achieve with platforms or tools you have. I'm a huge fan of open source softwares and I have used them almost on daily basis for last 10 years. And 6 months back, I would not want to have a machine as my daily driver other than Ubuntu. Okay, but here I am today just trying to share my views why I am switching to Mac ecosystem right now. First thing which came to my mind was, or I realized actually during my last 4 to 5 years, it just struck my mind. Okay, is Ubuntu giving me freedom to work on things which I would like to? Okay, I would like to work on a front end, I would like to work on a back end application, I would like to work on mobile application, whether it's iOS or Android. I would like to work on Mac applications, I would like to work on all sorts of stuff. Okay, and which operating system gave me maximum freedom? And answer is Mac operating system. Okay, so there are so many things which I can do on Mac. I would like to rephrase it. So there are much more things which I can do on Mac operating system rather than if I move to Ubuntu or Windows based operating system. Okay, so that is, I think, the most important thing for a developer. Now, second thing is return on investment in long term. Okay, if you're going to buy a good Windows operating system or even good Linux operating system, the price difference is like 1.5 times between a good MacBook and a good Windows laptop. Okay, so 1.5 times, let's say a ballpark figure, which is the difference between a good Windows based operating system and a good Mac based or MacBook. Okay, now other thing is, so this 1.5, this price difference is definitely on the expensive side, but MacBook remains a good machine for at least 6 years, I would say, due to their build quality, regular safe updates. When you consider durability and work you can achieve with MacBook definitely has the potential to have better return on investment than Windows, Ubuntu, uh, or Ubuntu Windows machine, whatever machine apart from MacBook you take it. Okay, so I definitely feel in long term return on investment done on the MacBook gives you better return than any good Windows and Ubuntu laptop. I'm saying good because you can buy a really cheap Windows laptop for, let's say, $200 or $250, but I don't consider them good machines for my work. Maybe it's good for you. Maybe you only need to watch some YouTube videos and do some light web browsing. For that work, maybe a normal Android tablet or Chromebook or will work fine for you. Okay, I am not saying that. Okay, now other thing is what Ubuntu can do but OS X or Mac OS cannot do. Biggest advantage with Ubuntu is that operating system can run on wide variety of hardware, making it real cheap to set up an Ubuntu machine. But with that, you have to maintain lots of stuff to keep that machine running smooth. Even if you like maintaining and tinkering Ubuntu machine, value of work which you are able to achieve in MacBook outweighs Ubuntu flexibility anytime for me. I have maintained Ubuntu for last 10 years and it's my daily driver for my personal work. And I can confidently say that having MacBook removed lots of clutter related to backups, regular maintenance, and making fit and feel and of overall system as per my liking. Now other thing is Mac OS is a functional superset of Ubuntu as a desktop. I'm not talking about backend or anything like that. I'm saying Mac OS is a functional superset of Ubuntu as a desktop. Mac OS has almost everything which Ubuntu has. Both are POSIX compliant OS. This means that most Ubuntu application can be compiled on Mac OS with minimal changes. You can see that means almost all major Ubuntu apps are available on Mac OS. Like biggest app is I think GIMP, used for editing photos mostly. Okay. And command line functionality in OS X is pretty much identical to Ubuntu and in most cases superior to Ubuntu. Okay. Because I like a Unix based or Linux based system, Mac OS easily fills the gap for me. And other thing is Mac OS lets you focus on the real work. Okay. Unless you are a operating system developer or admin or some kind of niche work which can be only done on Linux based OS like Ubuntu, Mac OS is a very safe and rewarding choice for anyone. In Ubuntu I struggled with lots of distractions like updates which are breaking, even if it's not breaking, uh, but most of the time it's breaking if you are doing a major upgrade from one version to another version. Configuring different desktop environment like KDE, GNOME, and backups. Like I lost so much data in Ubuntu because I am always updating, reinstalling things on Ubuntu, and it took too much time that it was detrimental to the work I was supposed to do. It decreased my efficiency and it brought lots of distraction uh, around my work. Now that said, what I would expect in an ideal world, I don't understand why all these Linux based operating system companies like Canonical, Red Hat, Debian, Linux Mint, you have so many flavors of Linux based operating system and companies working very hard for increasing their customer base somehow. I would like that all these companies join hands and create a single combined operating system instead of putting their efforts in their individual operating systems. And once these companies are working as one, I think all of the pro softwares which are only available on Mac, for which lots of pro guys get to hook gets to buy Mac, because for them those pro softwares make sense only on Mac operating system, not on Windows or not on Linux. And they somehow persuade those companies to develop those pro softwares for that combined operating system, which they will eventually come, which I don't think so they will do. But if there is one operating system, one Linux based operating system, then I think that pro companies also, the pro software companies also will rethink, okay, now we have lots of less clutter and there is one real competitor for Mac and Windows, and we should also focus on that operating system, because now there is not much variety of Linux flavors available in the market, and it and at that moment that operating system will be more serious and lots of effort, because now all the companies have joined hands and we will have more resources to work on that operating system. And also I will not mind to pay for that operating system if it is better than Mac OS and gives me freedom to all the things which Linux system is known for, but with more stability, with more good softwares available to achieve my work, and better stability around updates and all those stuff, so that if I invest in a good machine, I should be pretty comfortable thinking that okay, this operating system will go for at least, this machine will go for at least 6 years, like what I'm expecting from a MacBook Pro. So now I'm not a fan of Apple or something like that. It is just that I have enough experience to conclude for myself that Apple makes more sense to me, and I have wasted lots of effort in just sticking to Ubuntu and just being there for Ubuntu. And Ubuntu, it definitely increased some of my skills, okay, but at the end of day I would have learned those skills on Mac. That's my case. Means that is only thing I want to convey to you. Yeah. So you think, you may, if you are, you can also think on same lines and see if um, Apple as an ecosystem works for you. Now I have only talked about Apple desktop per se. I have not talked about the mobile and all the stuff, the full ecosystem. So that is another case. But now I want to conclude on this thing, that only on the MacBook, because this video will get too long on that one. So that is my conclusion, that I am switching to Apple after 10 years of Ubuntu, and I have now enough experience to choose a daily driver which is efficient and less distracting for me. Thank you.